Look no further than the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, premium sound system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, bed liner, remote engine start, aluminum wheels, alarm, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.